Salut, je m'appelle Erin Ninche, je suis je suis coach sportif. Donc aujourd'hui nous allons faire 15 minutes d'étirement et un peu mélanger avec un peu de corps. Corps en français, c'est-à-dire un peu d'abdos, comme ça. Hi guys, my name is Erin Ninche. Today we're gonna do some stretching, 15-minute stretching, mixed with some core workout. So get your water and let's stay fit. Let's start. Keep your hands straight. That's it. It's 40 seconds, 20 second rest. Let's go. Keep it straight. Good. Gardez les bras droits, agitez, relaxez les épaules. Relax your shoulder, keep moving, keep your arms straight. Good, that's it. Keep moving, don't stop. Stretch the arm, stretch it. That's it. Good, nice. After this, we're gonna do some plank for 40 seconds, just 40 seconds. It's 40-second workout, 20-second rest, which is good. Rest, get some water. So our next exercise will be the plank. This way, keep straight, there. Not this way, but this way. Keep it straight. Let's go. Good. Keep your tummy tight, it's very important. Gardez votre ventre concentré dans l'exercice. Respirez durant l'exercice, c'est très important. Toujours respirer. Always breathe, guys. It's very important. Keep your body straight. It works out your core. Ça travaille la colonne, ça travaille le ventre, ça travaille les fessiers. Bien. Good. Maintenant, qu'est-ce qu'on fait? Ça fait 20 secondes de repos. Notre prochain mouvement, on tend les bras et on va comme ça. On regarde tout en arrière et on revient, on change de côté pour 40 secondes. Let's keep moving. Keep your arms straight and let's go. Look back. Each side. There we go. Always keep your core straight, always keep your body straight, okay? Throughout the exercise, it's very important. Keep moving, good. I know it's burning, I know the hands are burning, but please guys, keep moving, breathe. Je sais que les bras ça fait mal, vous voulez baisser, ne baissez pas, continuez, continuez, comme ça, voilà. Comme ça, c'est juste 40 secondes et 20 secondes de repos. C'est assez suffisant, donc restez concentrés. Voilà, c'est bon. Relâchez. Buvez un peu d'eau. Notre prochain exercice. Alors, on est étendu tout au sol. On lève un pied et voilà, on le pose pour 40 secondes. C'est vu? On y va? Good. Vous avez senti de la pression au niveau des reins, au niveau du fessier, au niveau de la colonne. Restez still. Gardez votre colonne vertébrale assez droite. Essayez. You will feel the pressure. Don't worry, it's normal. Just keep going with the stretching. Good. We're almost there. Good. Good. Keep it. Nice. Good. Alors le prochain mouvement, on va le changer. Alors nous sommes partis avec le pied gauche. Maintenant on va avec le pied droit. Là. Ok, pour 40 secondes. Respirez, buvez de l'eau. On y va. Là. And down. Let's go. Stretch, guys, is very important. Un corps qui s'étire ne vieillit pas assez. Un corps qui s'étire est toujours frais. Il faut étirer les nerfs, c'est très important. Ok, il faut toujours étirer comme ça. Voilà. On doit sentir l'étirement. We must feel the stretch, guys. Keep it up. Good. Ok. Le prochain mouvement, là on croise les bras. Ok. Keep your hands closed. Up. Stretch. Here. 40 seconds. Let's go. Breathe. Keep breathing for 30 seconds. 40 seconds, sorry. Okay, good. Good. Stretch. Nice. Breathe. Always breathing throughout the exercise. Good. Good. Now after 20 seconds, we're going to the other side, which is left for me. It might be right for you, but it's all good. Just keep knowing like which side you went before, and then you go the opposite side, okay? Good. On y va. Sens contraire. Gardez la tête sur l'épaule qui s'étire. Comme ça. Étirez bien. On doit sentir l'étirement au niveau du bassin. Étirer, c'est important. Il faut toujours s'étirer. Keep the stretching going. Guys, don't drop. Nice. Keep it. Good. Breathe. Woo. Good. Very good. Awesome. Breathe. Have some water. Our next stretch, we're gonna go there. The knees with the toe must be aligned. On alignment is like straight. It mustn't go there, that side. This leg must be very straight. Opposite arm, put. Press back. That's it. Keep your body straight. Keep your back straight. It's very important. Gardez votre dos droit. Le genou et les orteils doivent être alignés. Le pied arrière bien tendu et on respire. Respirer, c'est important. Breathe is important. Keep breathing, don't stop. Nice, you do really good. Good. Maintenant, on va changer de pied. We're going to change the feet. So the left foot, my left foot was in front before. So now it will be my right foot, okay? And opposite hand. Back leg very straight, 90 degrees, okay? Keep the toe and the knees on alignment, it's very important. And the opposite hand, press back, nice. Keep your back straight, always, breathe. Good, keep breathing, don't stop. Respirez à fond. Pendant l'exercice, c'est important. 90 degrés. Le genou doit être bien aligné avec les orteils. Ne le traversez pas. Ok? C'est bien. Vous faites déjà bien. Good. Whew. Notre prochain exercice, eh bien, on va s'asseoir comme ça. Tout droit, comme ça. On lève le pied droit avant. Les deux pieds sont littéralement tendus. Voilà. Le bras gauche touche le pied droit. Et on étire. 40 secondes. Les deux pieds, essayez de les maintenir tendus. Please try to keep both feet very straight, which is important. And let's feel the stretch. Good. We're almost there. Breathe. We're gonna use the same leg and then go the opposite way, okay? The same leg. Stretch. Keep it straight. Good. Lovely. Nice. Very nice. Breathe. Whew. Next exercise. Stay on the floor. Okay? What do we do? There and block your back. Okay? Next exercise. And we go 30 seconds. 40 seconds, sorry. 40 secondes, bloqué. Reposez tout le poids du corps au niveau des omoplates. Respirez. Maintenez le dos droit. Keep your back straight. Good. We're almost there. Nice. Good. Good. Back straight. Really nice. Keep it up. Don't drop. And that's it. Now we drop. Okay. Same leg. Our next movement. Next exercise. Same leg. Instead of going in, now we're going out. Okay? This way. Out. Both legs straight. These hands must touch the toe. Okay? Keep it straight. Let's go. Good. Body straight. You're doing good. Breathe. Almost there, almost there. Keep breathing. Good. Nice. Lovely. Next exercise, we keep our back straight, going side to side. Okay? This way. Gardez le dos droit et se pencher de chaque côté comme ceci. Ok? Voilà. Let's go. Keep moving. Good. Nice. Don't stop. Voilà, ça fait 40 secondes. Alors maintenant, on va changer. Now we're going to change. We're doing the right leg before. So now the left leg. Okay? Targeting in. This way. Hands must touch. Both legs must be straight. Please try to keep it straight, guys. Good. Let's go. Good. Breathe. Respirez. Tout au long de l'exercice. Il faut s'étirer. C'est très important. It's very important to stretch, guys. Keep your back straight all the way. True. Good. Maintenez, maintenez. Nice. You're doing good, you're doing good. I like it. Good. Now the same leg. The same leg. Up and to the side. Both legs straight. Try to touch. Okay? 40 seconds. Let's go. Push. Lovely. Keep it. Keep the stretch. Feel the stretch. Sentez l'étirement. Restez concentré. C'est bien. Respirez toujours. Good. Next stretch. On va ouvrir. We open. Okay. And down. This way. Try to open as far as you can. All right. 40 seconds. Good. Keep. Try to open as far as you can. Stay for 40 seconds. Keep your back straight. Breathe. Breathe. Nice. Good. Good. Next, what we do, we keep him both legs straight, and then going there for 40 seconds, back straight all the way, there. Okay, this way, right? You ready? Let's do it, guys. Push. Breathe. Respirez, respirez, toujours. Essayez de garder les deux pieds tendus. Try to keep both feet straight. Yes, that's it. You can feel it, right? Really good. You're doing well. Don't drop. Nice. Keep it straight. You're almost there. Carry on. Good. Nice. Whew. Now we go the other way, okay? Try and get some water. You ready? Let's do it. There we go. Good. Nice. Keep. Both legs straight. Both legs straight, guys, please. It's important. Try your best. Don't drop. Don't ever give up. Try your best. Always do it. Always carry on. Moving forward. Okay? Keep the spirit. Gardez l'esprit. Toujours avancer. N'abandonnez pas. Les deux pieds bien tendus. Voilà. C'est bien. Vous y êtes. Nous y sommes presque. Maintenez. Good. Whew. Ok. Prochain exercice. On va ouvrir comme ça. Et on dort. Ok? Pour 40 secondes. Maintenez. Let's go. Good. Nice. Étirez, étirez. Stretch. Back straight. Nice. Very good. Respirez. Maintenez les jambes bien écartées. Comme ça, c'est bon. C'est bien. Well done. 20 seconds rest. Notre prochain mouvement. On va écarter. On prend la main posée. On touche. On essaie d'envoyer la tête au creux. Try to put your head here. Down. There. Okay? That's it. Keep it. Breathe. Nice. Stretch is important. Good. Both legs straight. Stretch. Nice. Stretch. Étirez-vous. Sentez l'étirement. Keep moving. Don't drop. Good. Rendez votre corps flexible. Ça n'arrivera pas en un seul jour. Au fur et à mesure qu'on travaille, ça va arriver. Étirez-vous. C'est important. Keep your body flexible. It's not happening in one day, guys. But you mustn't drop. Just keep it on. Just keep going. That's the way. Nice. Good. We're gonna change. Okay? There. See. Rotate and change. Good. When the time clicks, and there we go. Okay? Don't drop. Don't give up. Stay with me. Okay? We're gonna put our head in between, right? Our feet and the hands. Okay? Breathe. Good. Nice. Almost there. And we go. Good. Both legs straight. Good. Breathe. Nice. Keep it. Keep. Keep, don't drop. Stretch. Stretch. Étirez-vous. Ne vous arrêtez pas. Sentez l'étirement. Good. Maintenant, le prochain, on va mettre un pied à l'arrière. One foot at the back. Okay. There. This feet must be straight. We're gonna lay down on our feet. There. This way. Okay. For 40 seconds. Let's go. I know it's not easy, but you must stretch it tight. Keep it straight. Try to stretch it. Stretch. Étirez les cuisses. Ok? Rendez-vous flexible. Respirez, maintenez l'étirement. Ok? C'est bien. Respirez. Ouf. Ouf. Ah. Almost there. Nous y sommes. Ah, on change de pied. Voilà. On change de pied. On maintient le pied, ce pied droit. Keep this leg now straight. This one. Okay. At the back. And then we're gonna move back with all our body. Let's go. Oh, I know it's burning day. Try to keep it, guys. Stretching is good. Keep it. It also helps us to perform our workout. Next workout, which gonna be concentrate of the fat burning again. Good. Nice. Next, we're gonna stand. First, we're working on one leg. Nous commençons à avoir un pied. On va aller sur 3 sets, mais avec un seul pied, on étire. On garde la balance. Ok? Les deux genoux doivent se joindre. Gardez la balance. Restez concentré sur un point. Stay focused on one point. Keep your balance. Keep your body straight and tight. Okay? Good. 40 seconds. The 20-second rest, we are not dropping the leg. Okay, we're gonna change right away. Après les 40 secondes, on ne dépose pas le pied, pardon. Good, on ne dépose pas, on reste comme ça. Parce qu'on va changer là, up. Ok, on ne dépose pas le pied. Don't drop your feet, keep it. Good, let's go for 40 seconds. Don't drop the feet. Stay focused. Very nice. Good. Don't drop it. Don't drop. Work it on. Work it out. Don't drop the feet. Keep your body straight. Breathe. I know it's burning, but try to keep it straight. Ok? Je sais que ça brûle. Essayez de garder. Maintenez. Voilà. Ne le déposez pas. Don't drop it. Parce que ce qui suit va être un peu plus difficile. Mais essayez. Alternatively, you can do this way. Or you can just keep the balance. Okay? And let's go. There. Keep the balance. Stay straight. Breathe. Don't drop. Good. We're almost there. Keep the leg straight. I know it's burning, but it's okay. It's all good. We're gonna make it. Why not me? Why not you? Pourquoi pas vous? Pourquoi pas moi? Essayons. Toujours essayer. Give the best out of you. Good. Whew. Get some water. Nice. Now, the other leg. L'autre pied. Ok? On est prêt? On est bien? On y va. Les deux genoux doivent se toucher. Gardez la balance. Maintenez l'équilibre. Poussez. C'est bien. C'est bien. Rappelez-vous, après les 40 secondes, durant nos 20 secondes de repos, on ne dépose pas le pied. Ok? On le garde en suspens. D'accord? C'est bien. Ok. Remember guys, during our 20-second break, please don't drop the feet down. Keep it up. And then let's move to the next step. Alright? Good. Breathe in and out. It's important. Respirez. Good. Ne déposez pas. Don't drop it. Don't drop. Keep it up. Good. Breathe. I know it's burning. Stay focused. Stay focused. Restez concentré. Maintenant, on le soulève. On garde le dos droit, on maintient l'équilibre. Et on y va. Respirez. C'est bien. C'est bien. C'est très bien. It's very good. I like it. Well done, guys. Keep moving. Don't drop. I know it's burning. I know the leg is shaking. But don't drop. Keep it up. Keep it up. Gardez le moral haut. Restez concentré. Étirez-vous. C'est important. S'étirer, c'est bien pour votre corps. C'est bien pour la santé du corps. C'est bien pour la santé morale. C'est bien pour l'équilibre. Il faut toujours s'étirer. Ok? Ne déposez pas. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Good. Good. Only one more. 40 seconds. And that's it. Then we'll move to the next step. Ok? Good. Good. Alternatively, option, vous pouvez faire ceci ou faire comme moi. D'accord? Mais le but c'est de maintenir pour 40 secondes. Ok? Respirez. Gardez l'équilibre. Je sais c'est pas facile. I know it's not easy. But please, try to push. Don't drop. Try to push. Ok? Good. And there we go. Push. I think my time has stopped, but it's all good. 40 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know, it's more or less 20 minutes plus or 15 minutes plus. Well done, guys. So definitely in our workout is a combination of Tai Chi, yoga, Kung Fu, some CrossFit, what else? Some core and all together in one. So my next video will be either outside, we're gonna do some boot camp, or inside and we're gonna hit the cardio. Well done, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks. If you like it, please share, subscribe. If you don't, it's okay. Tell us what you can do to improve ourselves, what we can do to make our journey of the fitness going the way you want it. Merci beaucoup. Si vous aimez, partagez. Si vous avez des suggestions, please, laissez-nous savoir. Comme ça nous permet de nous améliorer et de continuer avec notre voyage sur le fitness, sur le sport. Merci. Ciao, ciao. Big up. See you next time. Bye.